Hi, this is David Ford. Welcome to this introduction of workflows within SQUEAKS, a feature that ensures your plant floor issues are resolved properly and efficiently. In SQUEAKS, a workflow is simply a series of actions required to close out a squeak, with each action putting the squeak into a different state. Let's take a look at the default workflow within SQUEAKS. Here you see a new squeak that is still in the open state, and looking at the buttons in the top right corner, there are two actions you can take while it is in the open state. You can either claim the squeak or you can complete it. First, we are going to claim the squeak. Doing this changes the state of the squeak to claimed, and it also eliminates the claim action and replaces it with the release action, leaving the complete action there. Next, we will perform the complete action, which closes out the squeak and prevents any further actions from being performed on the squeak. We will provide a few details while completing that OEE was low because Op20 was down for some maintenance. This is a simple workflow that includes three states: open, claimed, and completed, with three actions that can be performed: claiming, releasing, and completing. In many cases, however, events require more action than just claiming and completing. Next, we will dig into a squeak with a more complex workflow, requiring the user to go through a series of steps to close out the squeak. Here we have a squeak indicating that a part with serial number NB3851 was rejected at inspection. This squeak is in the open state, but this time, notice that there is only one action that we can take from the open state. That action is to submit the part level. Clicking that action, we can detail this part as a level 1 part, indicating to others that it is a higher priority than other parts. Submit that, and the state has changed to step 1 of 4, part level known. Our next action is to submit the defect reason. We will comment that the part had a bad weld on the top left bracket. Submit, and the state has changed to step 2 of 4, defect known. The last action to take is to submit a resolution. We will put down that the bracket weld was repaired at Repair Station 1 by operator John Smith. At this point, all necessary actions have been taken to address the defective part, so we can complete the squeak. Using workflows in SQUEAKS ensures that plant personnel are following the necessary steps required to resolve any issues at hand. It also keeps others aware of the progress being made on any issues. And requiring a resolution to be supplied to an issue can also help any future instances of this same issue to be resolved in a quicker fashion, as personnel can look back and see a history of the issue and the typical response to it. Thank you for your time, and for more information, please reach out to IGear.